What is closure? This is a very important question and asked in many interviews. Before this, we should have a basic understanding of lexical scoping and functions. Now, suppose we have an outer function and inside that we have one inner or nested function. Now, here you can see we are returning the inner function from the outer function, right? Now, when we call the outer function, it will basically return the inner function only, and that we are assigning to this closure variable. Then finally, we are calling the closure function like this. This will call the inner function, and since inner function is able to access this outer variable of outer function because of the lexical scoping, finally outer scope will be logged in the output. Now here are two questions that comes to your mind. First, what is the difference between lexical scoping and closure? Basically, closure uses the lexical scoping concept, okay? Now, if you remember, in lexical scoping, there is no need to return the function and then assigning it to the closure variable, okay? So, it's like closure is one step ahead of or beyond of lexical scoping, okay? The point is, a closure in JavaScript is a combination of function and the lexical environment. Closure is like an advanced function, which you can call like a function. You can imagine it like this. Closure has qualities of both functions and lexical scoping. Now, the second question is, what is the benefit of doing all this, right? How is this this closure scoping helping with closure, and why we need these closures? That I will explain in the next question.